Hello, I'm cooking dinner right now, and my hands are covered with chicken and bacon greases. But I also need to refer to the internet to refer to my recipe, and while I'm cooking I also like to listen to The Simpsons or to watch something on VLC. So I made a thing that connects the Wiimote to the laptop and lets me manipulate those two programs. And if you open up the things I've shared, you can make them manipulate whatever you want. So here's the chicken and a Wiimote and a laptop. And the Wiimote, even if my hands are covered in chicken, I'm able to pick it up, and get it dirty because I can just rinse the bag. And here's my recipe site. So I've hooked up everything so that the application switch button is this trigger finger button, the B button. So when I click it, I can go back to watching The Office on VLC. And so when we're in this mode, when VLC is in the front, there are a lot of pretty intuitive commands like up and down moves you up and down the playlist, so I could get to a new episode or a previous episode. I'm sorry, that's right or left. And then up and down are volume, as you can see. The big central button is play and pause. The home screen button is full screen or not full screen. And you can even fast forward by using the 1 or the 2 buttons to fast and slow the play rate. So now if we look at Firefox, I click that button to get us to Firefox, and now I can press down or up or left or right to scroll down, up, left, right on the page. I can use the A button to click if my cursor is over something, but I'll get to that in a sec. Minus and plus are buttons that move down the tab list, so if I press minus, I move down, and if I press plus, I move up the tab list. If I press home, it should go to full screen. I don't use that enough. And I've actually enabled, because you want to click on stuff here, if you hold down 1 or 2, if you click them both at the same time, so like you're pairing it, so click 1 and 2 at the same time, now the mouse is coupled to the accelerometer. So I tilt it up to get the mouse to move up, I tilt it down to get the mouse to move down, and that's when I would use the A button to click on something. I tilt it left to go left, tilt it right to go right, and when I want to get out of that mode, I just click 1 and 2 again to stop it from moving. That's about it. So this is my first Instructable.